guys, it's Ariana Janae. Welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I have no makeup on again and I look like trash again, it's because it is actually super late when I'm filming this. It is almost 10:30, a school night, and I just got home from practice, so that's why I look like this. Besides that, the reason why I'm filming this video so ugly is because today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my I.AM.GIA package. Woo! I'm sorry if I'm not talking as clearly and loud. It's like nighttime obviously and people are sleeping. I know it's probably annoying that I'm doing another unboxing video / review video, but I don't care. I'm just gonna stop rambling and open my package. So this is what my stuff came in. I only ordered one thing. I ordered the Pixie Coat in caramel, and I just think it's so cute. I saw, I think Olivia or like Madison Beer or like Haley Sunny, like those people, I remember seeing them wear it first and I just like thought that was so cute. So I wanted it for a long time. It was super expensive. I think the original price is like $110, but now it's dropped down to $79. So I was very excited about that. If you didn't know, I.AM.GIA is an Australian brand. So I was concerned that I was gonna have to pay customs and shipping, but I only paid $12.50 for express shipping, which is 2 to 3 days, which is very impressive considering it's coming from Australia. So I was very happy with that. And another tip, if you guys decide to buy this, if you are new to the I.AM.GIA site, I recommend signing up for the newsletter because they'll offer you 10% off your first purchase. So that helped me knock down the shipping price when I ordered mine, and I think that about covers it. I ordered mine Saturday, September 1st. Obviously, most companies don't process / ship orders on weekends, so today is Thursday. It's when it arrived. They processed it and shipped it on Monday, and it got here on Thursday, so it was really fast. Okay, so now let's open it, I guess. Like I said, this is what the front looks like. It came in this plasticky thingy. It just says I.AM.GIA at the bottom. I'm not going to show the other side because it has my address on it, but it just says IMGIA.com on the bottom, and then it has like their socials and a QR code. So there's nothing else in that besides the jacket. So I ordered it in a large. If you watch my Brandy Melville video, I didn't talk about my size, but like there's no reason to be ashamed anymore or insecure. I am typically a size extra large. The sizes that they had on the website are small, extra small, small, medium, and large, and I just noticed in general reviews say that it's oversized, and I like tried checking measurements even though they don't have measurements for oversized stuff. So I was hoping that the large would fit the way I want because people who are usually small usually size down, so hopefully it works out, you know. I just hope it fits at least. Comes in this plastic, this little sticker, just a barcode, and it says L Caramel Pixie Jacket. There's some numbers and a barcode. And it feels more like carpet than it does like teddy material. I'm not mad at it, it's soft, but it's like not what I expected it to feel like, I guess. It's like freaking taking up the entire screen, you can't even see me. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's a tag on it. It says I.AM.GIA. Has the barcode and the same thing as on the plastic packaging. It says I.AM.GIA right there. I'm trying to like see. This says large. Okay, so it has obviously the collar, and the whole outside is made of that like teddy material. These are what the sleeves look like. They're like cuffed. Whoa, I saw some fluff. They're like cuffed at the end. Same with the other side, obviously. And then it zips all the way down right there. Pockets that are like super huge. Zipper has this like lining on top of it, maybe so it doesn't catch fluff. And then if you open it, oh, it's a very heavy duty zipper. Like very heavy duty, which is very nice because you could tell quality's in there. And it's like almost like hard to unzip. I'm trying to unzip it at the bottom and I'm like low-key struggling, not gonna lie. I'm stupid, I already got the back lining attached to the zipper, which is not good. Don't do that. Don't be stupid like me. Advice, I guess, because I literally struggled for like a good 5 minutes. When you're taking it off, there's also the same like this. There's also this same lining on the inside. So when you unzip it, if you buy this, be careful because you could get it like caught in when you're yanking it, which is what I just did. Not very smart of me. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. This thing is huge. It's this satin material. It goes all the way throughout the sleeves until the little cuff. The cuff is actually, it's hard to explain. I think there's like a material in here, or like maybe like some paper or cardboard that makes it like stick up straight, because it's like kind of hard right there. Just interesting. If I'm trying it on in my room, it's hot, but like I could feel like warmth. So I think it could be good for Californian like winter, which is not that cold. It's like usually just like 60s. It's very comfortable. The inside is really nice. I also forgot to mention earlier, in the pockets, it's actually, I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually satin on the inside. I just thought I'd point that out. Final thoughts: price slash ordering slash shipping wise, I would rate it like, I don't even know, I don't even want to rate it. I'll just talk about the pros and cons. Pros was the shipping and how fast it got here, and also the 10% discount if you're a first time customer, which really helps in my opinion. I think so. Price, it is pretty pricey. I mean, $79 is not too up there, but it's also not the same as like $25, $30. But I've been wanting it for a long time, so like I just made the decision to buy it. It's really nice quality for what it is. I'm so sure that this is gonna last me a long time. Like you could just tell by the feel of it and like the heavy dutiness of the jacket. It's really nice. So overall, the whole shipping, ordering, and price thing is really good. I don't know how to rate that. I just kind of just, now I'm just rambling. Style and look of the jacket, so cute. According to size, I don't know if I would recommend sizing down, just because I was forced to size down since I'm an extra large typically in other stores, and like my only option was a large. If you want that like oversized look that other people rock, I probably would suggest getting your own size. Overall, good ordering experience. Not cheap, but reasonable price and very cute. That is it for this video, I think. One thing I would like to say, this is so great. I'm literally so delirious right now. Thank you guys so much for 700 subscribers. It's not a lot in other people's eyes and just in general, but to me, like the growth that I've had over this like last few months, like for 2018 specifically, has like rose exponentially, and I'm like so grateful and thankful. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for all of the love and support on my Emma video, which you can watch if you click the icon up here. Appreciate it, you know, like I feel so much love, and I'm so grateful and thankful. We're about to hit 800 subscribers very soon. Just subscribe, follow my social medias, they'll be down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm saying this all out of order, but just know I love you very much. Thank you guys again for everything, and I'll see you in my next video.